Well, if you've been on the search for a place to take your feline friends when they need a little checkup or extra care, we have just the place.
The College of Veterinary Medicine's South Clinic has recently been designated as a cat-friendly practice. And here to explain what that means is the director of the College of Veterinary Medicine South Clinic, Dr. Pavlovsky. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, so this is exciting things happening there at the clinic. So what does it mean exactly to be a cat-friendly practice? Are you not normally cat-friendly, or I don't understand what that means.
Yeah, it's a really good question, and it's funny that you asked that because I was at the hospital the other day, and I just happened to throw out that we're in the process of becoming cat-friendly, and someone overheard me and said, "Are you not cat-friendly now?" and I said, "Well, no, not certified." And so the explanation is that this is a program that allows us to officially become certified as a cat-friendly practice, which means that we take certain steps to ensure that our feline friends feel welcome and their owners are more likely to bring them in.
And what changes would that entail? When I think of a cat-friendly practice, I'm not sure what I would know to change. I've always owned a dog, so I don't know what that would entail.
Yeah, and it's a good question. I think there's a lot of facets to this. Most of this has to do with understanding the specific, unique requirements of our cat patients. They tend to have different body language than dogs do. They display fear and anxiety in different ways, and we must admit that coming to the hospital is stress-inducing for both cats and their owners. And so the program allows us to implement several steps that make that better. From the very beginning and having a separate waiting area for cats and their owners, to cat-friendly exam rooms, to techniques that allow us to handle our feline patients with an understanding of what causes them stress. Many cats view restraint as a threat, and so they are, as a result, sometimes not cooperative. And so handling them in a special way makes it easier for us to do what we do.
Okay, you mentioned that cats are much less likely to receive regular veterinary care.
Yes.
That's what the data is kind of showing. But is that surely not just because they're fearful of coming in? Is that what you're thinking?
It's part of it, but cat owners sometimes view cats as independent creatures that don't require as much care. They tend to be sort of on their own. They tend to not display signs of illness as readily as dogs do, but when they do bring them in and have a negative experience that makes them feel like their cat is super scared, it makes it less likely they're going to bring them again.
Yeah, I can see why that's important to kind of create that environment. Now, what went in for you guys to be able to achieve this kind of status as a cat-friendly practice?
Yeah, we submitted an application which was quite extensive. Our technicians worked hard on implementing several steps. We had to make sure that our facilities were in compliance with a cat-friendly practice. For example, our feline-only kennel area is set up in such a way that it provides our hospitalized patients with places to hide. We had to implement various measures to ensure that cats that are brought in are separated in the waiting area. And physical enhancement to our exam rooms, training and handling, all of those things came together as we applied.
And I'm sure making all of these accommodations, you are definitely eliminating the stress on the cat, which is then going to eliminate the stress on the cat owner and your team.
Oh, yeah. I mean, studies have shown that cat-friendly practices have less human injury. And that's simply as a result of handling that is considered of cats' behavior. The less stress they feel, the less we make them scared, the less injuries we sustain. And that results in, you know, job satisfaction. I don't want to be injured by any of my patients. And as a result, we are all safer.
Okay, well, congratulations on your new certification. That's exciting things. Always fun things happening there at the University of Illinois Veterinary Teaching Hospital. This is specific to the South Clinic, so we appreciate you coming.
Thank you.
All right, if you want to learn a little bit more about their cat-friendly practice program, we'll have all of that shared on SailLiving.tv after today's show.